3, 2, 1.
On today's adventure, we hired Borneo Boats and Beaches. This private charter was 5 hours and a total of $400 US. We tipped the crew $75. Jonathan and his staff were amazing. We got to snorkel in 2 different places, and this price included drinks, snacks, and a full lunch. We highly recommend this tour. Here are some of our favorite highlights.
We just stopped for lunch. Beautiful spot within the marine park, and then for lunch we have chicken sandwiches, mango, bananas, and egg salad. We just got finished with our private boat charter. It was unbelievable. Jonathan and his crew are just fantastic, so hospitable. I mean, it definitely exceeded my expectations for sure. So we got picked up about 9:15, and then we just got dropped off around 2:30, and it was great. I will make sure that I link their information below so you guys can check it out.